Are you ready to take your Forex trading to the next level? In this video, we'll dive deep into the importance of knowing Forex market open and close times. Join us as we explore the key trading sessions, their impact on currency prices, and how being aware of these times can enhance your trading strategy. Remember to watch the entire video. We also have several videos on the channel that we know you will surely enjoy. So watch them after watching this video. For everything else, free Forex courses, free Forex robots, free indicators, and the broker that I use personally, see the links in the description box below. Today, we're delving into a crucial aspect of Forex trading: understanding the open and close times of the Forex market. The Forex market is a global marketplace that never sleeps, operating 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, across different time zones. This continuous operation opens up exciting opportunities for traders worldwide. But why is it so important to know when the market opens and closes? Let's find out. The Forex market hours are divided into 4 major trading sessions: Sydney, Tokyo, London, and New York. Each session has its unique characteristics and plays a significant role in shaping currency prices and market volatility. Sydney session. The Sydney session kicks off the trading day at 10 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. It's relatively quiet compared to other sessions, but don't underestimate its impact. Some currency pairs, like AED/USD and NZD/USD, are highly influenced by the Australian economy, leading to significant price movements during this session. Tokyo session. The Tokyo session begins at 12 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time and is known for its high liquidity, mainly driven by the Japanese yen. It overlaps with the Sydney session, resulting in increased trading activity. Traders often seek opportunities in yen crosses, such as USD/JP and Euro/JPY, during this session. London session. The London session, starting at 8 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time, is the most active session in the Forex market. It overlaps with both the Tokyo and New York sessions, creating a period of high liquidity and volatility. Major currency pairs like Euro/USD, GBP/USD, and USD/JPY often experience significant price movements. Economic news releases during this session can further impact market sentiment. New York session. The New York session opens at 1 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time and is the final major trading session of the day. It overlaps with the London session, resulting in a period of high trading activity. This session is known for its volatility, thanks to major U.S. economic data releases. Currency pairs involving the US dollar, such as Euro/USD, GBP/USD, and USD/JPY, often see increased trading volume and price fluctuations. So why does it matter? Understanding the Forex market open and close times is crucial for traders. It allows them to identify the most active and volatile periods of the day. For example, during the overlap between the London and New York sessions, traders may find more trading opportunities and tighter spreads. Moreover, being aware of the market's open and close times helps traders manage their trades effectively. Traders who prefer specific sessions can plan their strategies accordingly. If you love the Asian session, you might focus on yen crosses. On the other hand, the London session might be your go-to for major currency pairs involving the euro and the pound. A word of caution: during market close and open times, there can be increased volatility and price gaps. This is especially true during weekends when the Forex market is closed. Traders should exercise caution when holding positions over the weekend, as unexpected events or news can cause significant price movements when the market reopens. In conclusion, understanding the Forex market open and close times is essential for traders. It empowers you to identify the most active and volatile periods, tailor your trading strategies, and effectively manage your trades. By being aware of these times, you can maximize your opportunities and minimize potential risks in the dynamic world of Forex trading. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Have questions or want to share your thoughts? Leave a comment below. Happy trading, and we'll see you in the next video.